There's a guide on how you can make multiple destination route on Google Map. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open Google Maps. After that, as you can see, we are in United Kingdom. And let's just say that you want to travel to London from Wales. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on directions. And then you have to choose your starting location, which is Wales for this example. After that, as you can see, it has created a route. Now let's just say you want to visit Birmingham on your way to London. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the three dots on the top right section of your screen. After that, click on edit stops. And as you can see, there's another option here which says choose destination. Okay. And you can click on that and add Birmingham. Click on Birmingham. Okay. Now you want to visit Birmingham before you visit London. So you have to hold on to this and then put it between Wales and London. Okay. And as you can see, it has created a route for this. And let's just say you also want to visit Watford after London. Okay. So you have to click on choose destination and then search for Watford. Click on Watford. And there you go. As you can see, it has created a personalized route for this. And that's it. That's how you create multiple destination route on Google Maps.